welcome to another episode of Inexperienced 30-Year-Old Gamer. My name is AJ from the League of Extraordinary From, and here with Doug Lennington from Fear the Masses. Say hi.
Woot woot. No, woot woot.
And Nob from OFNR Studios. What's up, Nob?
Hello.
And we're going to do some Uno for you guys, so be sure to leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe, and let's get started.
All
right.
Mexican, isn't it?
What?
So we're playing Uno because it's all Mexican, isn't it?
I thought it was French.
See.
I gotta learn. Well, France and Mexico are next to each other, right? So, I mean, I'm not far
Absolutely.
off.
We're playing against Al Pudding.
I think that's AI pudding. Al Pudding. I'm gonna call him Al Pudding. That's awesome. Back to you, Al.
Back to you in the studio, Al. Oh, you. Sorry, Nob. Uh-oh.
Oh, man.
Is he gonna stack it? No, he's gonna take it.
I have no idea what I'm doing.
You could have, if you.
Playing Uno.
Yeah. Oh, Al, you're gonna eat that pudding. Eat that pudding, Al.
Al's gonna eat.
See, I definitely have cards I could play, and I don't. Okay.
The whole talk about not picking on the NPC went right out the window when he was named Al Pudding. Like, we were gonna try to be nice to the NPC, but...
Nope.
Oh, man, I forgot. What am I doing? Oh, hold on. After this round,
Oh, sorry, Al. You're gonna have to eat some more of that pudding. Eat those cars, pudding.
Pudding. Hey, pudding. Oh, what do we got? What color are we?
Red.
I don't even know. Red. Oh, yeah.
Red.
Because it's red. Stupid ass.
Ah! Damn it.
Oh.
What the fuck?
Do not pass out.
Ah.
Do not collect $200.
Zero. What the fuck just happened?
Whoa! What the hell happened?
What the fuck?
Oh, you do a zero. You switch cards.
Boo!
That's awesome.
Oh, that... He said boo. That's awesome. That's not so awesome anymore now that I have a whole lot of cards.
Yeah, and I was just about to win. What the fuck? Oh, this is supposed to be a family.
Welcome to
I'm the only
Extreme Uno, AJ.
Yeah, so far it's not family friendly. Oh no! Damn it!
Suck it.
This is definitely not family friendly.
No.
That kind of talk.
No. It's only gonna get worse later.
You do realize you're hanging out with me.
Alright, man. Slap some cards on Al Pudding.
Why is it?
Not known to censor myself.
Why can't I put a card down? What the hell just happened?
What? I don't know. Now I have your cards.
What the?
Uh-oh.
Why do I have more cards?
Yeah!
Take a turn. What the fuck?
Damn
it!
I got my card back. Eat it. Eat it, Al. Damn it!
Fuck on that.
God damn it! Fuck!
I'm not letting you win.
I could tell. Jesus.
Oh, Al, what are you doing? Circled me.
Oh shit.
Al's on fire, yo.
Al's coming up. He doesn't like being called pudding, apparently. Well, sorry, Al. You're gonna have to eat that. He didn't like that. Uh-oh.
Son of a bitch.
Okay, so 7 you get to switch with somebody else, and then 0 you get to swap everybody? I guess that's it. Alright. Oh.
Alright.
These are some funky Xbox rules. Bill
fucking
Gates
weird.
was
Yeah.
this shit.
Little weird.
Bill Gates was like, what if we twist the rules?
Shit.
There you go. You can have those.
Okay.
I kind of like that, actually,
Well,
now that we
no, I have a card,
maybe
so.
know what's going on.
Screw you, Al.
Oh.
Yeah, you bag of dick, Al. How do I draw a card? Oh, B. Oh, hell yeah. Back to you,
Back to
Al.
Al.
In the studio.
I was waiting for that.
Uno. Motherfuckers.
He threw a 9er in there. Oh.
Damn it, I just missed it.
You know. It's because I have the little chat thing going on, so I know who's talking.
Uh-oh.
Son of a bitch.
Oh!
And you
I hit
get
X. I hit X.
Oh, that's so stupid. Ah!
Again.
Enough with the zeros. God damn it. The fuck?
I love it.
I like blue.
Well, this really fucked with our conception of Uno.
Yeah, I think there's a way we can change this. You had to pick red.
No, I actually like it. This is awesome.
Yeah, I might start using these rules in my games. Fuck my life.
This really just took like Uno for a ride.
Yeah. Uno Extreme.
Oh.
Yeah, that's... back to
You gotta throw a bunch of X behind it. Like
back to you, Al, since you don't have green, apparently. Yeah, that's right. Oh! Sorry, Doug.
Here.
It's alright, I still have 2 cards for now.
Ah! Just get fucked this round. Fuck.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Somebody's got to drop cards on him.
Fuck you, Al.
Well, we know he doesn't have...
Pick blue, pick blue. Shit! I was gonna say I gotta draw 2 for him.
Oh.
Fuck!
Well, now you're telling me to wait.
He doesn't have green. That's right.
I knew he didn't have greens.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
Not looking good.
Rack him up.
Dick smuggler.
Have another green. That's right. Why does he get... He gets so I swear to God, he's just picking the cards himself.
He must, like, know what the cards are coming.
Yeah.
Cheating. He's using a game genie.
Right? He's probably... Oh! Oh! Oh!
Oh, you fucking bitch.
God damn it. Ah!
I like how all of our comments are so condescending. It's not like we're like, yeah, this is a lot of... We're like, son of a bitch, fucking asshole. Cock, shit, titty, fucking turkey, dick.
Wow. Turkey dick. The fuck? Jesus, Doug. Take it easy.
Oh, no.
Fucking hell. Oh,
Man, let's
thanks, Al.
Instead of Uno, let's just change the name of the game to Screw AJ.
Hey,
We should actually really make a card game called Screw AJ. We'll have to figure it out, but...
Hey, all I'm saying is...
Green, you're a piece of shit.
Yes, I am.
Bam!
Have all the other colors but green. Yeah, I guess you can go.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, you suck.
And take that!
They got that Y button on freaking lockdown.
Fuck. Fuck. Fuck! 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 Oh my God! Stop giving me cards!
Shit. Motherfucker. Kitty.
I think
That's not a good card.
Ooh.
I think Al's gonna whip our ass.
Suffer in our misery too.
Or not. Maybe I will win the game. If nope. 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 Sorry, Knob.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I'm not.
Dude, I'm rage quitting.
Yeah, you might want to after this.
Son of a bitch.
Wait a minute. Are you gonna stack it? Oh!
Ah, turkey dick.
7.
Poor dad.
Oh, that's 7.
Oh shh.
Boom.
Oh my god. I'm gonna be nice, Knob. I'm gonna be nice.
Got 12 cards.
Oh, why thank you.
For being nice.
He wasn't so nice. He wasn't so nice to you, Doug.
You son of a bitch. Oh.
Oh god. Oh no, why? Why would you do that? I'll just take these back. Yes. Oh god.
Oh, stop it, Al. I swear to God, if the rotation goes the other way, I'm gonna totally screw him over.
Yes.
Oh, it's...
Uh-oh.
My new
Fuck.
goal. I was gonna screw over AJ, but there was no
No.
way.
You know, fucking hell.
Al must pay.
Alright.
Don't you do it, Al. Piece of shit. Oh my God, it takes like a week and a half to get over to the other side of the cards.
Thanks for the 2 cards, I appreciate it.
Oh
That's a
shit.
nice score win.
No! No! God damn it. God damn
Gotta
it.
draw a card, really?
God. Fucking damn it.
Kill Al.
Boom, coming back this way.
Kill Al.
Kill Al.
Back to you now.
2? Oh, fuck. Fuck. You're kidding me. You're fucking kidding me.
You don't have a 2?
Nope.
Ah, you skipped out.
I did.
Good.
Al can eat a dick.
Oh, let's see. How can you pudding dick?
A pudding dick. Pudding pop dick.
You got the jello pudding pop dick. Oh. Swear to God, he's cheating.
Oh, God, he must be with those
Not a real
cards.
person, he's cheating.
Oh, fucking hell. Why? Back to you, Knob.
Here you go, Dad.
Oh, God.
That's for you.
Oh,
Send it over to
yes! Eat that turkey dick
Nice.
pudding. Sorry, Knob.
Nick. Damn.
That's gonna be the name of this video. Eat that turkey dick, Uno.
Uno edition.
Uno edition. With Knob and Doug. As we gang up on the NPC.
Al Puddin.
Al Puddin.
I think really the episode should be called Al Pudding.
Yeah, I agree.
Oh, where are you switching?
Oh, he's switching with Al, of course.
Al's cards.
Yeah.
Do I got any 7s? You motherfucker.
Son of a... Oh.
Well.
Son of a bitch. Dougie Fresh?
2? Oh, shit. He's gone.
Al's after your ass.
I'm number 1.
No, Al. Those are my fucking cards. Fuck yourself.
9. 3.
I hope there isn't any other cards that we get surprised.
Yeah, right.
We're like, what's happening?
There you go.
Oh, well, thank you.
Back to you.
Thank you very
Back
much.
to you, AJ.
You had to fucking. Oh. Oh.
Oh,
Yes!
son of a bitch.
Yes!
Oh, so 0 switches everything.
Yes, it does.
Once.
I totally forgot.
Ah, shit. Why did I play
What
this
are you
card?
doing?
Why did I play this card? Why did I play this card?
Back to me. Give it back to me. Give it back to me, you dumb fuck. Give it now.
That's not the way to win friends.
No, it's not. God damn it.
Well, this is why I'm so lonely.
Oh, pick your color. That was the wrong fucking color, you asshole.
That was also the wrong color.
There you go.
You shut up over there.
Oh, fuck.
This is a long fucking game. Holy shit.
Oh, motherfucker.
Yeah, who knew?
Fuck.
I'm glad
God.
I went with 1 round.
Damn it.
I was like, yeah, maybe points. But the game was like, no, pick 1 round, trust me. Oh, you cocksucker.
Oh, fuck.
Oh,
I shouldn't be laughing.
that's not right.
Fuck
Up.
yes. That's right. Eat that fucking dick, Al. Eat it! Eat it! Oh, shit. Now Doug's about to eat it.
Passing the dick along. I don't want any of these.
Back to you.
Fantastic.
Hmm.
Ah, shit. Guess I kind of fucked myself. Yep, I really did. Oh, I did not. Not too badly.
No.
Stupid colors.
What do you got against colors, Doug?
I don't have any.
Oh, fuck, it's my turn.
Yeah.
Whoops.
Oh, back to you, Al. Don't screw me, Al.
It's right.
Thanks, Al. Appreciate it.
Bam.
Everyone get your Y button ready. AJ's down to 2.
I know it.
Uh-oh.
I got nothing to lose.
Fuck you, Doug.
Damn it! Ah! Oh, Al, I'm so...
Why'd you say fuck you, Knob? That wasn't nice.
Al, if you were a real...
Fuck you.
If you were a real person, Al put in...
did.
I would so murder you.
Not this time, at least.
Ah!
I mean, I have said fuck you, but I definitely didn't just say fuck you. I mean, I can say fuck you, I guess. Makes you feel
Man,
like
I got a
that.
bunch of skips and zeros with your name on it.
Oh, boy.
First.
But first...
Fuck you, Al.
Yeah. And fuck me. Nope. Fuck you.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, why'd you...
I love you, Knob.
Obviously, you got blue in your hand.
Maybe?
You think?
God damn it!
Ooh, boom. What'd you get for playing blue?
Boom shaka.
Jesus Christ.
Is it the shoes?
Oh my...
Because you're white, Doug.
Ah!
Nope.
This is like
Nope. I'm not taking it.
Ooh! Don't send it my
Oh, son
way.
of a whore.
Back to you, Al. You fuck.
Shit.
God. I got nothing.
Uh-oh.
Boom. Throw the magic 3 on there.
Damn it! You're gonna make Al win. I cannot...
I know.
I'm not gonna let this happen. Eat that, Al. Yeah, that's right. You take those cards, you bitch. Sorry. Don't.
Ooh, he's straight.
Oh, you fuck.
Because you said don't.
Actually, you know what? Those cards look really nice. Can I? I appreciate it.
God
I actually like your cards
fucking
better.
damn it. Oh. 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 Yeah.
Damn it!
I'll take my cards back. Thank you.
Wah, wah, wah.
Why did I play that?
Love it.
I had
I'll
to.
take him, Doug.
I had to, though. I fucking...
Give him to Doug. Give him to Doug.
No.
Wait, give him back to Al.
Ow.
Because now he's got to fucking draw all these cards. You damn right.
Back to you, AJ.
Fuck me
Bye-bye, cards.
in the ass.
No! Damn it.
Why did I say Uno was a good idea tonight? Jesus Christ.
Who knew that Uno was going to turn into such an epic adventure?
Oh my God.
Oh, stacking him, stacking him.
That's my favorite part of Uno, is stacking.
Stacking it.
I love passing the fucking on to the next guy.
Yeah.
Like, I got screwed. How do you feel? I wonder if you can stack, like, +4 wild cards. Like, that'd be dope.
I'm not really liking. I'm not really liking that color. So, yeah. Sorry. Now.
No, you can't.
Sucks
Best game
so
ever.
bad. And yes, you can stack 4s, Doug, for the rest.
Best game ever.
Doug.
I'm gonna do it.
Here. He'll always be #1 in my book. Nah.
Bullshit.
This is bullshit.
Is it bullshit?
Good.
Fuck. Oh, okay.
Back to Doug.
You nub.
Thanks, Doug. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
It's alright, someone's gonna drop a 7 and it's all over.
You keep letting me draw cards and you never know.
Longest game of Uno ever.
No, AJ, no.
Yeah.
Just no.
Yeah.
How about no, Scott?
Scotty, don't.
I'm gonna do it. Sweet.
Scotty, don't. Nope.
God damn it! You're pissed at me, huh? Why, thank you, Al.
Oh, Al, what are you doing, Al?
You're fucking up
Bad
the
move,
rotation
Al.
now.
Yeah, Al.
Fucking up the rotation.
Son of a bitch. Back the other way.
Thank you.
Not having it.
Oh my God.
No, I'm not
Seriously?
having it. You son of a bitch.
Why? Why? Oh my God. Why?
Oh, you have to switch cards.
At least I'll take the 3 over the fucking 9 million you guys got.
Hmm.
Damn it!
Hmm.
Damn it! That'll work.
4.
3.
Wish I had to keep the trend going, but I don't.
Fuck. Fuck. I like blue.
Do.
Fucking mother. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You think it's funny?
Yeah, a little bit. Fuck. Somebody.
Mm-hmm.
Son of a bitch.
Okay. You guys got to have something for Al over here.
Do my best.
Sorry.
Depends on what not.
I think we're about to get our asses handed to us by an NPC.
What
color
color
you
do you got? What do you got? What do you got?
Yellow?
Oh, good.
Yellow.
I don't know.
Not like we're.
I think he has a yellow. Yeah. Good job, Doug.
I wasn't staged whatsoever, by the way, in case this is for future review.
Can't let the fucking NPC win.
Yes.
There you go.
Oh, your cards are shitty.
They're shitty, I know. They're horrible.
Man. Pudding. I kind of like that name. I might steal it later.
Puddin. Al Puddin.
Al Pudding. I know, it just kind of sounds pleasing.
Bam.
You son of a bitch.
Oh, I was mashing the Y button, too.
Good thing you could call Uno before you draw it. Oh.
But I can still...
Eat it! Yes! Woo! And I won! Fuck yes! Ah! How does that turkey taste?
That was intense.
Gobble delicious.